Today, we're going to be covering 6 huge mistakes you need to stop making if you are an affiliate marketer. But listen, come in close because I have something to tell you. If you are making any of the mistakes I'm about to share with you, don't go into the spiral of, oh man, I suck. I can't do affiliate marketing. I can't make money online. That's a no-go zone. I believe mistakes are a crucial part of success. And in fact, the people who are most successful are the ones that have made the most mistakes. But my goal here on today's video is to 1, help you become aware, and 2, give you solutions to those mistakes if you may be making them. And I'm just saying, if you're making mistake number 5 that I cover in this video, you need to stop and drop everything. Because if you can take action on the solution I share to this mistake, it is going to change your success online and your business forever. So let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is picking too many products to promote. My solution for this mistake is to obviously cut down the amount of products you're promoting. So pick 1 to 3 products you absolutely love and that you can stick with for a while. But also here's some tips when it comes to choosing products to promote. 1, recurring commissions, aka products that charge customers monthly and then pay you a portion of that monthly payment. And typically recurring commissions are things like software. 2, search volume, aka products that are well known enough to have some search volume. Search engine affiliate marketing is amazing because once you rank, you can reap in the rewards for months or even years after without any additional work. 3rd, high ticket, aka products that are over $500-ish, because oftentimes selling something for $500 is just as easy as selling something for $50. And I see so many beginner affiliates go onto Amazon and start promoting products there, and they put all this time and effort into promoting these products and they only get like $1 commission. So focus on the products that are going to be the same amount of work but bring in more commissions. The next mistake on our list that beginner affiliate marketers make is not building an email list. Any affiliate marketer worth their salt is going to tell you to build an email list. So the solution to doing this is a lead magnet sales funnel. So first you need to create something for free, whether it's a PDF, a video training, an ebook, literally anything. And then you're going to build a 2-step lead magnet sales funnel. So that first page is where the customer can put in their email address. Second page is where you deliver that free thing. Then you sign up for an email automation software that you can use to deliver emails to your customers. Because in order to get that free thing, they gave you their email address. And then lastly, you're going to email them consistently, building relationships, adding value, and promoting products. My favorite funnel building software that allows you to do this all so easily is ClickFunnels. You can have a lead magnet funnel up and running within an hour, and ActiveCampaign is what I use to send all my emails. So if you guys want to find more information about those, they will be linked down in the description below. And that leads me right into the next mistake that beginner affiliate marketers make, and that is not utilizing sales funnels. The solution to this is finding a software that works for you. Again, I highly recommend ClickFunnels. I've been using it for over 4 years and I love it. But the goal is to get a software that works for you and then utilize those sales funnels to either capture email addresses or increase the value of the product you're selling by adding on additional products. And you may be wondering, wait, Kyla, this is affiliate marketing. I do not need to be building any additional products. And you're right, you don't have to. But the best affiliate marketers out there in the world right now are. And so if you want to be the best affiliate marketer in your space, in your niche, for the people you are serving, you may want to consider building some of your own products to complement the products you're promoting. The next mistake I see so many new affiliate marketers make is not staying focused. Affiliate marketing is not an easy game. And so the solution to this is to set long-term goals. What things would you love to see 5 to 10 years from now? And I know that seems like a really long ways away, but most people really underestimate what they can do in 5 to 10 years and overestimate what they can do in a year. So having those long-term goals is going to be so valuable. And lastly, I want to add, when it comes to affiliate marketing and staying focused and not giving up, is link it with emotion. What was the reason that got you into affiliate marketing in the first place? Okay, I want you to focus on that. What is your why? And write it down, focus on it, because that's what's going to get you out of the tough times. The reason that you're excited, the dream life you're wanting to build, the opportunities you're wanting to give yourself through affiliate marketing, whatever it is, focus on that, and that's what's going to help you stay focused and not give up. The next mistake I see beginner affiliate marketers make, and if you take nothing out of this video but the solution to this mistake and you go and actually apply it, I am going to be one happy camper because I see so many affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs who are making this mistake. And even I was making this mistake the first year of my business until I got slapped across the face by my mentor who said, you need to stop making this mistake right now. Are you guys ready for it? The mistake is focusing on the product and not the customer. I get it. I feel your pain. I am 100% guilty of being so excited about the product, getting my affiliate link, and then turning to the rest of the world and going, who wants this product? But that is not the way to do business, all right? There is a group of people you have been called to serve as an entrepreneur/affiliate marketer, and it is your job to figure out who those people are and how to get in front of them. So my recommendation for you as an affiliate marketer to avoid this mistake of only focusing on the product and not the customer is to create an avatar. So start to think, who do you want to serve? And then get really, really specific and create a person, right? AKA that dream customer. Who would you love to serve? Who would you love to work with on a daily basis? And be really specific. If your avatar is a man, and let's say his name is Phil, he can be named whatever you want him to be named. Does he have a wife? Does he have kids? Does he have a dog? Does he live in a mansion? Is he wanting to quit his job? What are his pain points? What are the things he loves to do? Where does he hang out online? All these things, figure out who your avatar is. Or if your avatar is a woman, great, figure that out. But then you have that avatar in front of you. If you even want to create a drawing of who your avatar is, awesome. This is not a real person, but this is who you would love to work with. And then whenever you go to make content, you go to make a pitch, you go to write an email address, you're writing for Phil and this dream customer. And that is going to change your business. If you can apply this and create that avatar, focus on the customer, and then that product is just to help that customer get a result, it is going to change your business and your results forever. The last mistake I see new affiliate marketers make on a daily basis is ignoring the marketing. And it's called affiliate marketing for a reason, but somehow when people get in, they get started with affiliate marketing, they just get focused on getting that link to as many people as possible, and they ignore the fact that there's marketing involved. Marketing isn't about creating that bright, new, shiny thing that no one has ever seen before. Marketing is actually all about how well you listen to the market. How well do you listen to your dream customers? How well are you aware of their pain points, their struggles, and the results they want to get? And how willing are you to take their feedback and take action? That's honestly what marketing is all about. And I want to share a secret with you guys. I'm not the best marketer in the world. I have a lot I need to learn, but I do know of a way you can get access to some of the best marketers in the world because I've had the opportunity to do it and I want to share it with you. So if you are looking to get access to some of the best marketers in the world, you want to learn how to build sales funnels from scratch because I talked about sales funnels in this video, and if you're like,
I have no clue how to do that, I don't even know what a sales funnel is,
this challenge I'm about to share with you is going to walk you step by step in building your very own sales funnel and have it live in 30 days, which is super cool. And I also, in this video, talked about creating a lead magnet. They show you how to do that. And I also talked about creating your dream customer avatar. And in this challenge, they give you a script that allows you to fill out and create your dream customer avatar within 5 minutes. And this challenge is the One Funnel Away challenge. I will link down in the description below. If you're an affiliate marketer who truly wants to take action on the things I talked about in this video and really take your business to the next level, feel free to go check it out down below. But that challenge really is only for my action takers and those who are truly serious about being successful. So there you guys go. The biggest mistakes I see new affiliate marketers making and how to avoid it. So if you got value from this video, feel free to like it. Feel free to subscribe. I put out free content every single week. It means the world to me. It helps support my channel, and I love being here with you guys and adding value. I hope you have an amazing day. You are amazing, you are incredible, and the world needs you. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, dudes.